Hello बच्चों, let's see the question, and the question says that if three consecutive vertices of the parallelogram ABCD are: A is given 1, 2, 3, B is given -1, -2, -1, and C is 2, 3, 2, then find the four vertex. Okay, so let's solve the question. So key concept for this question is, key concept is the diagonal of parallelogram each other, so the midpoint of a diagonals are same. So means if we have a, let's say this will be a parallelogram A B C D, A B C D, and let's say these are diagonal, that is AC and that is BD. So basically diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, so let's say it's bisect on the point O. So O is the midpoint for AC and DB. ओके, ओ बेसिकली क्या होगा, मिड पॉइंट होगा ए सी एंड बी डी दोनों के लिए. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड द फोर्थ वर्टेक्स ऑफ ए पैलोग्राम ए बी सी डी. Okay, so here we have a given parallelogram A B C D. Okay, that is A, and coordinate of A given here 1, 2, 3, and coordinate of a B given here, that is -1, -2, -1. Okay, and coordinate of a C given here 2, 3, 2, and let's say this is a four vertex, and the four vertex given here X, Y, Z. So basically we have to find value of X, Y, and Z. Let's say this is a diagonal AC and this is a diagonal BD intersect at a O point. Okay, so we have a find the value of O. Let's say the value of O will be, so we know that O is midpoint. O is a midpoint of AC and BD. Okay, so let's find first the value of O. So O will be, we have here, that is, okay, so O is equal to, we have a coordinate of A, that is 1, 2, 3, and coordinate of C, that is 2, 3, 2. So we know that O is a midpoint of AC. So after applying the formula of midpoint, we have here, let's say that is X1, that is Y1, that is Z1, and that is X2, that is Y2, that is Z2. And we know that formula of midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, and z1 plus z2 upon 2. So let's put the value of all variable. Then we have here 1 plus 2 upon 2, and that will be 2 plus 3 upon 2, and last will be 3 plus 2 upon 2. So after solving this, we have a coordinate of O, that is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, and next will be 5 upon 2. Again we know that again O is midpoint of DB. So again we have to apply the formula of midpoint, and we know that the coordinate of D is x, y, z, and the coordinate of B is given here, that is -1, -2, -1. Okay, so here we know that O will be x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 2, and z minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so let's solve the question. Then we have here the value of O is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2 is equal to x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 2, and z minus 1 upon 2. So after comparing the coordinates of x, y is equal to 3 by 2, y minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 5 by 2, and z minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, this 2 cancelled by 2, so the value of x will be 4. First value we have here. Okay, next will be this 2 cancelled by this 2, so value of y will be 7. And at the last, this 2 cancelled by this 2, so value of z will be 6. So this will be the coordinate of D, that is x, y, z, and this coordinate will be 4, 7, 6. Okay, so this will be our answer. So I hope you understood it. Thank you and all the best.